BBAI stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is BigBear AI stock a buy? I'll be breaking all that down in this brief short 1-minute video. I'm the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 43,000 videos and 5 years of experience, and 44, and it's all documented on my YouTube channel, by the way. No one else has come even close. I've documented what's working and all that good jazz. Especially with BBAI, it's just a solid bullish market. You know, I've got like 5 longs, 3 W's, 2 break evens, and the only thing that I'm looking to do from here is buy as long as there is a shift and a double break. If that doesn't happen, then I'm not buying, you know. Actually, this doesn't get simpler than this, bro. Like, it just does not. With BBAI, I've done about 87 results in my Discord, you know, so that's that. It's big. It's yeah, it's very big, but it's just that I'm still gonna wait for my rolls. You know, some people are really have this FOMO, this fear of missing out, and they must take a trade. No, I mean, you can have FOMO and still not act on it. You know what I mean? So I'll keep you updated. And if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll continue to keep you updated.